how to fix that our systems have detected unusual traffic from your computer error message. So if you're trying to use Google and you're seeing this error message on your iPhone, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to solve this. Now, first thing you need to do is go and load up the settings on your phone and click on your profile name at the top of this screen. Now select iCloud and then scroll down to the bottom of the page. Underneath iCloud features, click on Private Relay and make sure the private relay is turned off like this and click on Turn Off Private Relay. Once you've done this, head back over to the main settings page, scroll down and click on General. Now scroll down to the bottom and click on VPN and Device Management, and if you're currently connected to a VPN, then just go and disconnect from it. Once you've done this, head back over to the main settings page, scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on Apps. Scroll down again until you see Safari and go and click on Safari. Then scroll down again and click on Clear History and Website Data. Now select All History and click Clear. Once you've done this, you can open up an internet browser, click on the 3 horizontal dots in the bottom right hand side, click on New Tab, and you should now be able to start using the internet without seeing this error message.